So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to control direct message on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is your home screen. At the right side corner, you can see profile options. You can click on it. After that, you can click on three dot, which is top right side at the screen, and click on settings and privacy. After that, privacy, and scroll down. You can see the options called direct messages. Here you can control who can message you. So click on permission settings, and you can see the options called potential connections. You can see that message request can accepted or not accepted in your TikTok account here, and you can see others messages are accepted or not accepted. So from here you can see you can control your messages on TikTok of unknown users. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.